Hello guys, I'm interesting one little thing. This MacBook Pro 2015 model, mid 2015. It's a 256 gigabyte version, and few minutes ago I installed Windows 10 Pro official, and something gone wrong. I think so, because I don't know what is this, because here is the inside of my microphone. Oh, it's not a microphone, it's a headphone port. Turn on red light. I don't know what it mean. I have no idea why is it turned on, or before it's not happened, and I need help. Is it good or bad? I don't know. I really don't know. And please comment below and help me. Thank you.